Kimmy Kim and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing. I have a box from the Planner Addict. This is from March. I'm a little behind on my monthlies. As you all know, or most of you know, that I have a very sick friend. And so I'm way behind on a lot of things, but I wanted to take the time and get these out and show y'all what was available for March. And let's get started. Let's see. That's so cute. Hey, Planner Addict. I only tried this for a month just to see how it was. Let's see. What's in the March box? There's a sticker mini kit, a washi tape, another washi tape, a March paper pack, dragonfly paper pad, planner bag, and a diamond pen. So let's see. Oh, here's the bag. Oh, that is so cute. Look how cute that is with the flowers. I don't know, can y'all see it? Well, actually it's these flowers here on the bag, and then it says Addict, Planner Addict box. That's really cute. Here's some stickers. These are cute. Laundry day, Sunday brunch, oh, fun day, Netflix binge, oh, that happens in our house a lot, weekend, date night, renewal day. That's pretty funny. So those are cute. And here's some more. Oh, that's upside down. Oh, these are pretty. Look at the dragonflies. And then there's teeny tiny dragonflies. I don't know if you can see that. Really teeny tiny ones. Really cute. And here's another sheet. So you can put some notes in it. To pay, to do, work, happy mail. Oh, I like that it has happy mail. That's cute. Very cute. Okay, here's the washi. And it's got those flowers on it and a green background. And here, oh look, there's the dragonflies. That's cute. Those are really cute. And here's the notepad. That is really cute. And it has the dragonfly. Excuse my hands. I've been tea dyeing and avocado dyeing paper, and my hands are just awful. So please excuse them. Oh gosh. So that's really pretty, and then it's got the flowers as the border. That's a good size pad too. Let's see. Here's a piece of acetate. And here you can see it's got lily pads and ducks. It's kind of cute. I don't know what I would do with it, but it's cute. Oh, here's some more acetate. And this has got the flowers. That's really pretty. And here's some like scrapbook paper almost. Double-sided. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. And it's a good size. It's got the little bitty dragonflies and the big dragonflies. Oh, I'll definitely use these, even if it's like for tags or something. And this you can use even the other side of the postcard. And I think, wait, there's one more thing. Here's the blingy pen. Look at the diamond pen. And you know I collect pens, so this is right up my alley. Let's see how this works. How does it write? Ooh, it writes really good. Oh, it's a good pen. A very good pen. Okay, so that was March for the Planner Addict. We'll just set this back in here. And we'll move on to, I've got these Stickii Club. It's stickers for planners. Let me see, this is, I'm way behind on these. I think this is February and March. Let's see. Oh, this is so stinking cute. Oh, they're cherry blossoms. Oh, I have to send this to my daughter. My daughter in Seattle. She loves cherry blossoms. Oh, and it's got little bunnies. Oh my gosh, look at the cute little guy. It's a postcard. Oh my god, that is so stinking cute. And I love how the envelopes are. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna mail these out to my daughter. These are the fireworks. I think it's because it's a Chinese New Year. Oh, and look at the stamps. They all have cherry blossoms and cats. There's some cherry blossoms. Like, okay. And these look like they're little teddy bears or something. Not quite sure. But they're cute. And the feast. The tea, I love the green tea and all the yummies. What a cute little set. Yes, it's called Cherry Blossom Festival. Too cute. Loving it. Alright, I won't fight with that right now. And then it's got this little cherry blossom paper clip. And it has a little clip if you want to attach it to something. So that's really pretty. Okay, let's see. What's this one? This one was February. So that other one must have been March. Sorry about that, y'all. I'm a little behind. But I wanted to show you because there's so many cool things. This one's called Slumber Party Pajama Slumber Party. Oh, look at the little checklist. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh my god, these are cats. Look at all the cats. And popsicles. Well, fruit actually, ice cream, strawberries, all kinds of yummy food. Those are too cute. Let's see what this is. These are candies. You probably can't see, huh? No, that doesn't help. There we go. There we go. You can see it a little better. they're very pale, so they're really hard to see. And here's some more kitties. Kitties and unicorns. And here's the pajama party. It says slumber party. And they're eating pizza. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my god, that's so stinking cute. There's nail polish. Let's see. Oh, there's shoes and nail polish and bling. And here's a big sticker of some yummy goodness. I don't see a paper clip on this one, but there is a ring. So yeah, that's the Stickii Club for the past 2 months. And I hope y'all enjoyed seeing the goodies. It's always like Christmas, finding out what's in it. So, well, y'all have a great week, and thanks for watching. Stay safe. Take care.